If you're using the free version of Spotify and want to restart your playlist from the beginning, there's a fast and easy way to do it. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone or computer. Now go to the playlist you want to restart. You'll see three dots at the top, right under the playlist name. Tap or click those three dots. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Add to Other Playlist. A new screen will come up. Now tap New Playlist. This will create a new copy of your original playlist. You can name it anything you want. For example, you can call it Restarted Playlist or just Copy. After you save it, go to the new playlist you just made. Since it's a brand new playlist, it will always start from the top when you listen to it for the first time. This is one of the easiest ways to restart a playlist if you're on a free Spotify account. You don't need to use the queue. You don't need to wait for the shuffle. Just make a quick copy of the playlist, and it plays from the beginning again. If you want to restart it again later, you can just repeat this same step. Tap the three dots, add to a new playlist, and create a fresh version. This method works on both phone and desktop, and it's simple for anyone to follow. That's all you need to do to restart your playlist on Spotify, even without premium. Thanks for watching.